Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the application was unable to start correctly problem. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. The reason we are encountered this error is due to missing or corrupted .NET framework or DLL file on our computer guys. Therefore in the first step we will download the .NET frameworks, and in the second step we will download the DLL files, missing DLL files guys. To download the .NET framework, you just need to go to search menu and you just need to type Windows Features. Opens up Windows Features, turn on or off. Click on open it. You just need to check mark both of it guys, .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8. Just need to check mark both of it and select OK. Select the Let Windows Update download these files for you. Windows completed the requested changes. Now we have finished first step guys. Close out of here. The second step is to complete the missing DLL file. We will complete the missing DLL files with Microsoft DLL libraries. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link given in my description below. You just need to check it out. You just need to scroll down this website, and if you are using 64-bit system, you just need to download this link. If you are using 32-bit PC, you just need to download this link guys. I am using 64-bit PC, that's why I'm gonna download this. Scroll down and you just need to download this version as well, Visual Studio 2013 version. The same way 32-bit and 64-bit guys. Click on it, click on the system bit you are using it. After downloading this both, check my description for this link, DirectX Redist. Click on the download option and download it. The same way the another one, DirectX End User Runtime, download it. After downloading these programs, you just need to click on the show in folders icon. We have downloaded these 4 programs guys. You just need to install it one by one. Double click on it, click on I agree and install it. Since these libraries are released by Microsoft, they want it home our computer guys. After getting set up successfully, install it one by one. Now install the VC Redist. Double click on it, click on install it. After getting set up successfully, close out of here, then install the DirectX setup. Click on yes, click on I agree the argument and click on next. Uncheck the install the bring bar, click on next. Click on next to download it. After installing DirectX, click on finish. The last program we just need to install it, DirectX Redist. Double click on it, click on yes. Now click on browse. Now click on the disk you want to save it. Click on OK. Select OK. Now we have installed these 4 programs guys. We have completed the missing DLL files. Now we just need to restart our computer. To do this, go to start icon, select start and restart it guys. After restarting your PC, I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys, and you can also subscribe me and support me. Thank you.